Previously on The Amazing Staff Man. In August 2024, I built this battery box out of a Ryobi Toolbox with two 50 amp hour lithium ion Redodo batteries in parallel, which gave me 12 volts at 100 amp hours. It was a little bit of power, but as time progressed, I figured it was better to upgrade this system, seeing that the 100 amp hour Mini Redodo lithium ion batteries could fit in there comfortably, but not just one, but three. So journey with me in this video as we upgrade the Ryobi Toolbox battery box from 100 amp hours to a whopping 300 amp hours. Stay tuned. Greetings all, it's the Amazing Staff Man. I know it's been a while, but we have a new video that we're going to bring to you. So today what we're going to do is a upgrade on the battery system. I wonder what that could be. Let's go check. Oh, I wonder what this is. Let's see. Oh, how about that? So I finally have made the purchase of the three 100 amp hour Mini Redodo batteries for the toolbox upgrades. So let's get these inside and take a look at them. Okay, so we got the batteries out of the box. So we're just gonna do a quick little test to make sure that the batteries are working properly at the correct voltage. Let's see. Good. Good. Excellent. Okay, folks, as you may remember, this is my Ryobi 100 amp hour battery box that I built. So what I'm going to do is take those three 100 amp hour mini batteries to put in the system to triple the capacity and the output of this system. And you'll see my dog there in the background, don't mind her. So what I want to do next is take everything out of this system, and then we're going to put those three batteries.
Going to Denver again?
Okay, let me handle this real quick. So apparently my kids love Denver, so that seems to be the hot topic of where we want to go. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take out this 200 watt pure sine wave inverter. We're going to take out this wood deck, remove the battery charger from the terminals of the batteries currently. We're going to clear out all this space so we can get down to the batteries underneath. Okay, we got the deck out now. So I don't think anybody's ever seen this before, but I have two 50 amp hour batteries. They are different sizes because I bought them at different parts of the year. They just changed and went to a smaller size, but I have them in parallel. So it's 100 amp hours at 12 volts. So we're gonna go ahead and take these batteries out and put the new ones in. So with the magic of TV, I've kind of skipped ahead a little bit. Remove the batteries, but then I realized that doing a fit test for these three batteries, I'm gonna have to rearrange some plumbing, so that's why we got some additional parts outside there. So in the meantime, while I'm working on that, I'm gonna take the battery charger here, and I'm gonna go ahead and start charging up the batteries to make sure that all three are completely full before I install inside of the toolbox. Okay, Okay, so I just fast forward a significant amount in time. As you can tell, I redid a lot of this wiring and plumbing and whatnot. I'm gonna add the other battery into the system. We're gonna get everything all buttoned up, and then we'll give it a test. Okay, now we have our three 100 amp hours mini Redodo batteries wired in parallel. All right, so we got everything connected now. Everything's wired. This is where we move the positive bus bar now. Our charge controller is all wired. Our fuse for the 2000 watt pure sine wave inverter is wired. Everything is wired. Battery's wired. Since the battery is wired, I already got juice on the monitor. So the next thing to do is let's go ahead and hit the switch. See what happens. Don't see anything smoking. Let's see this. Everything down here looks good so far. Okay. See if the lights work. Hey! Okay, one thing I just noticed, turn the fans up, only one's, this one is on. This one's not going, so I gotta see what happened there. Good, excellent, excellent. Good. Okay, so we're gonna give a little function test real quick. Let's plug in my TV. I use this TV outside on the patio. Just like to watch movies or TV shows or games, football, basketball, baseball. All right, TV works. So we're in good shape. Let's take a look at the monitor. So I have used the battery box since I've installed the batteries. That's why we're at 89%. But as you can tell here with the amperage, it is programmed to be at 300 amp hours, but since I've used this, obviously it's gone down, so we're at 266. So yeah, it works. TV works. The new system works beautifully. If you reached the end of this video, thank you for joining in. If you like my content, please feel free to give me a like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video. This is the Amazing Staff Man, out.